Hey, John Lash here, www.legaciesontherrails.wordpress.com. It's kind of obscured from view by these coal cars, but there's a CSX train backing up here. This is at the C&O Museum out here in Virginia, and this is the 5th of June, 2018. And like I said, it's pretty much obscured from view because of these coal cars, but I figured why not? It's a live train, it's moving. So give you kind of a little walking tour, since I couldn't really get the train. Give you a little walking tour here. Here's some a really old, very damaged, obviously chassis system car. Here's one that's really rusted out really bad. Can't really read the number on it. And then this is the locomotive number 614. Steam locomotive, the Greenbrier Presidential Express. Haven't really had a chance to do any research on this train or anything, but it's pretty cool. Always great to see a steam locomotive on static display anywhere I go. And there are some other cars behind it. One with no number. And then I should have done this yesterday when I was at the Virginia Museum of Transportation, giving you kind of a walking tour of it. But like I said again, Greenbrier Presidential Express. This is West Virginia, wild and wonderful up there at the top. And actually we could have entered into West Virginia right now, and I just don't know what I'm saying Virginia, but it could be West Virginia. I checked in here on Facebook earlier. I didn't look to see the city that it brought up. But here's the Chesapeake in Ohio, number 458, right here. And then Caboose, number 3168 in blue. And in the red and white scheme, the number 90219. And then back here, first of all, there's kind of a veritable boneyard right here of old signals and things just laying here, kind of wasting away, unfortunately. And but then if you go back here, you've got another old rust, couple of cars that don't have any numbers or name or anything on there, so we don't know their road numbers or their particular significance. Little storage building right here. There's some old boxes that you would normally see at the crossings there. And then over here, the city of Petsky over there, or Petoskey, I can't really see which that is. So anyway, it's over there, you can see. And and then there's the Heritage Center over here. There's other storage buildings, some semi-trailers over here. One of them has the C&O logo on there. And then there's an old tower over there, control tower over there. And this is the Henry Hoffman Heritage Center over here, right there. And there's a Chesapeake in Ohio locomotive on display over here, along with a railroad flat car. We'll get to that here. My wife has come out, Denise has come out of the car there. She was just sitting in the car letting me walk around and take pictures and stuff. And we'll go check out the C&O locomotive back here. Old Clifton Forge station over here. And then C&O locomotive number 5828 is over here. So there it is in all her glory. So that's kind of, then there's a Chesapeake in Ohio caboose over there on display as well. So it's kind of a walking tour of the outside of the C&O Museum. The inside is closed right now, so this is about the best we're going to be able to do here. So hope you've enjoyed this kind of walking tour here. Again, C&O Museum, We were leaving Virginia, headed back to Kansas City, and came across this. So hope you've enjoyed it. This is John Lost Your Money. You to continue to follow the Lord Jesus Christ every day of your life. And when it comes to trains and everything,